Hello kids, Mr. Agee here, and I'd like to talk with you about your word study work for Wednesday, November 11th. And it's a review day. So all of these patterns are patterns we've recently studied and sorted. They are all consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant patterns. So we're looking at vowel teams, two vowels that work together to make a long vowel sound. So we've got AI, which makes A, OO, which makes oo, EE, which makes E, EA, which also makes E, and OA, which makes O. So we're looking at 5 different categories of words, and basically you're sorting them by any word that has the pattern you're looking for. It fits under that column. So the pattern you're looking for is AI, you're looking for AI words. You're looking for OO words, EE words, EA words, and OA words. But the idea is that you're both practicing sounding out those words correctly and also spelling those words correctly. So you can see we've got numerous words to sort here. I'll go ahead and just read them to you. You'll also notice that they're building in some blends practice and things like that, that you may not even recognize that you're doing, but as you practice sounding out these words out loud with your mouth, you are getting practice reading those blends. Like for example, in this very first word, we've got a 3-letter consonant blend. So we've got throat, beach, coast, seat, neat, beast, loop, booth, goat, 3, zoom, knee, sheep, grain, tail, weight, scoop, train, wheel, toast, bait, cheek, cheat, and road. So you're going to cut and sort and paste them into the 5 columns: AIA, OOU, EEE, EAE, and OAO. After you finish with that, they give you some new instructions here. Say each word aloud, write on the line a word that has the same long vowel spelling. Then draw a picture of the word you write. So for example, here you've got the word bait. You could write any word that you can think of that has the AI pattern, or you can flip back to the page where you sorted the AI words and write that word on the line and draw a picture of it. I think the first example that they gave in the book was rain. And so you could write the word rain here and draw a picture of rain. So you're writing a word that's got the OO pattern, the EE pattern, the EA pattern, and the OA pattern, and illustrating the word that you choose to write. Good luck, do your best. Can't wait to see you again.